Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change the accessibility of your whiteboard presentations and boards on Miro. So let us dive into this. So you can invite users to your Miro board, for example, and allow them to comment on your board or to edit your boards or to view them only. So this is how you can change that accessibility status. What you want to do is navigate to your board, for example, from your board's list or overview here, and inside your board customization or editing, click into that symbol in the top right, select share the board. And here guys, next to the shareable invitation link, you will see the current accessibility for the invitee. For example, you may change the accessibility for the given board from viewer, which should be on default, to either commenter, editor, or no access at all. However, guys, these changes may depend, or the accessibility of these options may depend on your membership status here on Miro. So not all options will be available. For example, guys, with my membership status, if I switch from viewer to editor for this specific board to give my invitees the permission to edit boards, I will see that notification here. So it depends on your membership. And that's actually it, guys. So what you want to do as well, option number 2 would be to set your board to private. You can do this also from your boards list here. Click into these 3 dots and select make board private, for example. And yeah, that's also a feature that is not available within that membership I currently have. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.